does a bird in the hand mean? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. A bird in the hand is often used as an adjective, pero it comes from a proverb or a wise saying na ang kumpletong form ay a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Ibig sabihin nun, yung isang ibon daw na hawak mo na sa kamay mo, ikatumbas ng dalawa na nandoon sa talahiban, sa ibang lugar na hindi mo pa hawak. Na kung iisipin natin yun, madaling maintindihan that what this means is it's better to be happy with what you have than take a risk and try to get something else. Kasi nga naman, kung di ka pa masaya dito at gusto mong habulin yung dalawa dun sa bush, baka kahabol mo makalipad pa tong isa. Sayang naman. Kung gusto natin gamitin na sentence, you could say, I advised Blake against going full-time into content creation. I told him that a bird in his hand is worth two in the bush. Sinubukan kong pigilan si Blake na mag-full-time sa content creation. Sabi ko sa kanya, mas maigi na yung sumusweldo siya na regular kesa mag-risk siya sa isang bagay hindi naman sigurado. Alright, that's today's idiom. Kung gusto niyo pa ng iba pa, we have more sa ating idiomacy series. And don't forget to follow me for more.